guess what, Master Designers? I, Asher Stasher, have finally got his first debut on his first ever drawing channel.
That's right. It's Asher Stasher, that constant critter that's constantly collecting. And what better way to draw him than in my own basement? What? Is that stupid? I just like drawing stuff down here. Alright, you probably seen this design before. We're drawing Asher Stasher's we're drawing Asher Stasher's nut suit. This suit has unlimited storage, and it comes with its own force field. And it also has this capability of collect. It has this grappling hook related arms.
On a mission to slap a hoe, but I'm getting kinda dizzy fighting vertigo. So slow to roll, you're kinda cute, but if you keep this game up, then I'm gonna puke. Hanging with the ladies that are wearing the skivvies, motorboating and playing with titties. Jump across the map in a big ass poop, decapitate my enemies, pick up my loot. Don't stop when I shoot for water was on. Your ass is grass and I'm on the lawn. Hot lead to the head and I won't stop. Domino and sidelock, making it hot. But all these bitches are prima donnas. I stuff my face with chimichangas, tacos and beers. I was keeping it loose. So to take you all to school with guns and knives. Telling jokes and breaking the rules. I came for the tacos. Playing with the ladies and the family jewels to bust a nut. About to throw down with all these fools, so come and get some. My favorite girl, I call her Death. She got big old boobs and butt-ass breath. No stress, one day we will be together as soon as I die. And that means never. Hacking and slashing like a ninja. Don't worry, sinister, I'm coming to get ya. Double flipping jumps, landing on reckless. Sneaking up on dudes and leaving them headless. Cable any day, big gun, no doubt. But he talks too much, so fuck it, I'm out. With a broken neck, I can't see it all. Cracking like a crackhead, problem solved. X-Men evolved, doing air guitar. Petting the dog, dancing like a porn star. We did it, we rescued Rogue. I tried to get some booty, but I got fresh bored because it's cool and I fall off a ledge. The crazy ass dogs are looking to duel, so click, click, boom. I don't believe in a golden rule, I came to get laid. Note to the ladies, I'm not a tool, I'm a sexy motherfucker.
Here's his bush tail. I don't know what's his deal with him stealing banana peels and using them to fuel a rocket. And besides, the moon is made out of stone, not cheese. This guy is basically a fanatic. He even tried to steal every action figure, something called Major Justice, from every citizen in the city. Well, that's dumb. If you have just one figure, you shouldn't just have to steal all of them just to be awesome. I mean, if I were to collect something, it would be one of each. What's wrong with that? Alexa, play Spaceballs, my Majestica.
Spaceballs.
I bet Asher knows about this show. This movie is one of my favorites. What better way than to show off the mighty Spaceballs?
And you haven't got a care. Well, you're gonna be in trouble, 'cause we're gonna steal your air. 'Cause what you got is what we need, and all we do is not indeed. What's up with the Spaceballs? With the master of space, don't mess around with the Spaceballs.
There he is. That's how you draw Asher Stasher from Power Birds. One of the strongest bad guys from the series. That's all for now. And if you have any interest on what new fighter you want me to draw next, I'll be here. I'll be here to draw it for you guys. They don't call me the New York City guy for nothing. Good night.